Bro, did you know that 99% of people stay stuck in life because they make these 3 mistakes? But not you. Watch this video and I'll show you how to break free and finally move forward in 2025. Mistake 1. Living on autopilot. The first mistake, living on autopilot. Most people wake up, go through the same routine, and never question if they're actually moving toward their goals. But not you. You're here, watching this video, which means you're ready to take control. Mistake 2. Waiting for motivation. The second mistake, waiting for motivation. Bro, motivation is a myth. Successful people don't wait to feel motivated. They take action even when they don't feel like it. And that's exactly what you're going to do. Mistake 3. Fear of failure. The third mistake, fear of failure. Most people are so scared of failing that they never even try. But here's the truth. Failure is just feedback. It's how you learn and grow. And you're not afraid to fail because you know it's part of the journey. So, are you ready to break free from these mistakes and make 2025 your best year yet? Like this video, comment, "I'm ready," and let's do this together. Your future self will thank you. See you in the next video. Until then, stay strong, stay focused. Your best life is waiting for you.